Today I'm going to show you how to reuse PowerPoint slides from local PowerPoint presentations. So the first thing we're going to do here is open up a new slide deck, okay, a new presentation. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go up to File and we're going to open up our second one. And this will be the one that is saved to our desktop or saved to our computer. So I'm going to use this one as an example. Now let's say we want to take just one of these slides and add it in to this presentation over here. Well, there is a way to do this and it's really simple. So if this is on your local storage, which means on your computer, quite simply you'd click on File, Save As, and over here you would make sure you rename it, find a location, and make sure that the format is in PowerPoint presentation and click on Save. Ultimately, you will find that here it is right over here. And if you'd like to open this in PowerPoint, you can do one of two things. Double click it. It will then open up like this, or simply go to File, click on Open, and it'll show you your file locations, and then you can open it like that. Now, let's say we want to take a particular slide that has been stored on our computer locally, and we would like to import it. Let's click on this one over here. You can use one of two options. Control-C, that will copy it to your clipboard, or right-click and copy. Now let's go over to our next slide deck over here, and in this section where you can see all of your slides in an open space, right-click and click on Paste. You'll now see that it's been imported. The single slide has been moved from this one over here over to this one from your local computer.